While President Donald Trump is angry, the Nobel Peace Prize snub is still hurting the US president. In his latest move, the US president has justified his quest for taking over Greenland as he did not get the prestigious award. Bloomberg has accessed a letter addressed to Norwegian Prime Minister in which President Trump said that he has no longer an obligation to pursue peace as he was ignored for the Nobel Peace Prize despite ending more than 8 wars. This prize is awarded by a 5-member committee elected by the Norwegian Parliament. In his letter, the US president reiterated his desire to seize Greenland and cited that Denmark cannot protect the land from Russia or China. Trump further alleged that Denmark does not have written documents proving its ownership of Greenland. Trump even added that the world is not secure unless US has total control of Greenland. His latest remarks come in the backdrop of Nobel Foundation clarifying that the Nobel Peace Prize cannot be revoked, shared or transferred once awarded. Earlier, it was Venezuelan leader Maria Machado who presented a Nobel Peace Prize medal to President Donald Trump, having credited Trump for his what she called extraordinary leadership in promoting peace through strength. President Trump has publicly expressed desire to win a Nobel Peace Prize on several occasions. Back in August last year, President Trump even called Norway's foreign minister to discuss his chances of receiving the same award. And later, he'd even complained bitterly after being passed over for Machado.